The Union Finance Minister NIRMALA SITHARAMAN had presented the budget for the financial year 2022-2023 at the Parliament session of the 1st of February 2022. In the Union budget for 2022-23, the estimated expenditure is Rs 39.45 lakh crores and estimated receipt is Rs 24.84 lakh crores, which will enable the country's GDP to grow at 9.2%. Reacting to the budget presentation, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma thanked the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for a budget which he termed as forward-looking and futuristic. The special impetus for holistic development of youth, women and farmers is in line with Meghalaya's focus and approach towards its vision of being among the top 10 states in 10 years, informed Sangma. He also expressed his gratitude to the Government of India for giving special attention to the northeastern states and their aspirations. As part of this initiative, the Government of Meghalaya has plans to pose a project for the construction of new administrative city in Shillong, informed Conrad Sangma.
To thank our Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharamanji, for presenting a very forward-looking and very futuristic budget. In this budget, there are many factors that are very important for the country as a whole. But while we look at Meghalaya and Northeast, I must take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister and the Honorable Finance Minister for starting the PM Divine program. And this is a program that is aimed towards livelihood activities for the youth and women by filling in the various gaps in the various sectors. So about 1,500 crores has been allocated for a beginning, and I'm sure that much more will come in the future. And as Meghalaya, we will also be proposing our proposals to the Government of India, especially to do with the new administrative city construction for Shillong.